Hello, my dear friends. How are you all? Hope you are well. Today's story is for you. The story is Monkey the Judge. Once upon a time, two cats spotted a loaf of bread inside a bag. Both of them claimed, "It is mine." A fight ensued. Meanwhile, a monkey came up and said, "Hello, friends. Let me divide it." The cat agreed. So the monkey broke the bread into two pieces. One piece, one piece seemed a bit larger. The judge decided, "Let me have a small bite. That will make this quick." But the slice got smaller now, so the monkey had a bite again. Thus the bread ceased to exist very soon. The monkey said to the cats, "Sorry, friends," and jumped away. The cats ruefully said, "We should have settled the dispute ourselves, friends," and jumped away. The cat ruefully said, "We should have settled the dispute ourselves." How did it feel to hear the story? If you like it, share it with everyone and don't forget to like and comment. If you want to hear more interesting stories, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. Thanks to everyone for listening to the story.